Well, hello. Been a while, hasn't it? Here we are. You will notice. Welcome to Canada. We, and by we, I mean me, bought a new piece of gear. Now, I have a shelter, and I never set it up. I never set it up because, well, it's one of those ones, it's a pain in the patootie to set it by yourself. And if I'm only going to use it for a couple hours, why on earth would I spend 15-20 minutes setting up and then breaking down just to not get eaten while I'm enjoying a lovely adult beverage? I decided to try and get one of those, single person pop-up tents. So we have the Vevor, it's a 6x6 pop-up tent. So we're going to give it a shot. As usual, we won't try the instructions. So let's go. So this is the bag it comes in. It's actually kind of heavier than I anticipated. So here we go. It's a good heavy zip, good heavy bag, but I mean, this is like 4 feet. So it's a little awkward if you're short on space, and it is heavy. It's very lopsided. So let's see what we got in here. We've got, I will say it's a small thing, but it's a big thing. The craftsmanship looks pretty okay. There's no loose threads. The zipper fits well. It's a lot of space. You're not like, argh. So the initial impression is good so far. Now we'll tuck those aside just in case. You know what they say, you make something idiot proof, they'll make a bigger idiot. So these look like the walls. Here we have the actual tent. I was going to set this up in the house, but I have a feeling that my non-corporeal house guest would have a problem with that. And it'd be like undoing an umbrella in the house. If undoing an umbrella in the house is bad luck, what would it be like to undo a whole tent? And we have some poles, I'm assuming. So yeah, extra poles. Those are cool. This is one of the times when not checking the instructions just kind of bites you in the butt. What I thought were spare poles are actually braces for the door. So don't be afraid to check the instructions. And these look like pegs. Okay, so there's your tent pegs. They look pretty decent. Does that glow in the dark? I can't tell. That'd be neat if it did. And some rope. So it should be looks like we got everything here we need. I can figure this out. These look like feeties. Oh. And we got a little handle here. Okay. All right. Oh, it's already open. Okay, here we go. I think maybe we'll do the top last. This is cool. Little hook. It's actually fairly sturdy. Well, that's cool. And we've got the screen tent. Now that was part of the thing that I wanted with the Hasaka, was that we could cover up each side as needed, because there's a certain mutehead who doesn't like other dogs. So I wanted to be able to screen it off. But like this is pretty cool, and it came up pretty easily now that I know what I'm doing. There's no popping things into pockets. This is nice. We have an indoor outdoor thing. Having it on solid ground would probably be a lot better than snow, but like I said, the non-corporeal house guest sometimes lets me know when they're not happy when I do some things. So this is 6x6. I got the 6x6. It was on sale. Really, I just wanted something to be able to throw up quickly. Again, enjoy an adult beverage, or just sit outside the trailer. The one thing I'm kind of not a fan of is there's only one door. If I were to set it up outside the trailer is like an awning, it's either like I'm there or I'm trapped, or I have to go out the other side. But that's a relatively minor problem. I could cook in this. It's small. I could set up my little love seat. The dog's got one too. So we got down here. So we have like a, I don't know what you call this, like a gusset almost? I don't know what you would call this. There is no floor, but you could use this to help keep the rain out. Or you could put it the other way, I guess if you had a mat. I guess if you had like a carpet or a rug, you could put down over top of that to help to keep things in. You have your, and that's for your tent pegs to go. Hello, what do you think, big boy? Oh, don't walk on that. Don't walk on that. It's brand new. I don't need you to break it already. Oh, okay. Okay. All right, I get it. Oh, yeah. So you go along here. Oh, so it's kind of rainproof. Okay. So you do that. Oh yeah. And then it's got, where is it? I saw ties in here somewhere. So that you could, where were those ties? Anyway, I saw ties in here. We could always tie that back there too. Well, that ain't, oh, there they are. They're up here. I knew I saw them. I wasn't hallucinating again. And the light colored top means that you can get some pretty decent light in there at the end of, the end of the day. Again, you're enjoying that adult beverage. It's me. The adult beverages are the liquid souvenirs that I bring back to all my friends and myself. Just for comparison, this is the Hasika that I have. Now it's a little bit bigger size-wise, but it's a bigger pain in the rump to pack up or to set up. So I don't use it. Even when I'm sitting somewhere for a couple of days, I'm just like, ugh, it's too much of a hassle to set up, so I don't. But this, I have a feeling, will be used quite often because, I mean, that was nothing to set up at all. Where this does better, it's smaller size, lighter. It's a lot lighter. But it also, it has a front and a back. It has 2 doors, so that's nice. You could set it up against your trailer, and then it has the attached sides, so you can actually have like a little awning so you don't get the rain. But I mean, just for the convenience factor, I think we're gonna be going with this, as long as I can find room for it in the car. I guess I have to try and take it down now, don't I? Hopefully without concussing myself. That would be awkward. Wouldn't be the first time, I'm sure. Actually, I haven't had a concussion in a few years. I'm not gonna say I'm due for one. Pretty low on my list of things to do. Seriously, how do you beat that? I'd still be unrolling the other one. Tent technology, it's gone so far. Now these are the easiest ones to deal with. I like these straps, and the part of me that's all about being able to, multitask with things. I mean, this would have all kinds of uses. Heck, you could almost even use it as a tourniquet if need be. I just went through my first day training. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch me try and figure this out and avoid a head injury. That's always nice. Let me know your comments, your thoughts, your concerns, your questions. Check out some of our other gear reviews and gear products, must-have products. Tell me what you think King is saying. And with that, we'll see you out there. Safe travels.